How to rate a Facebook Marketplace seller. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to rate a Facebook Marketplace seller. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and tap on the Marketplace icon, which is at the bottom toolbar of your screen. The icon also looks like a shop. You will be led to your marketplace. Now, tap on your profile option on the top right of your screen beside the search icon. You will see the inbox option. Tap on that and you will be able to see all the messages in your marketplace. Go ahead and tap on the message from the seller that you want to rate. You will then see the option for Rate Seller. Tap on that. You will firstly be asked if you bought the item or not. So answer accordingly and further rate the seller by giving them stars depending on your experience. You can also select any of the options under What Could Be Improved tab. Finally, tap on the Submit button and this is how you can rate a Facebook Marketplace seller. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.